Yan. And then we'll plant pak choy. And then Lin aga harvest ka na takitak.
Nirepot mo ba?
Oh, it's done. This is how you get. You pick that up like that. Ay, no, mistake.
You don't know.
I don't know. You have to cut it. You have to cut it like that, like that. I don't have
Hold it.
I don't have scissors, so I have to pinch it like this.
Kumpay.
Where is the kumpay?
Malakati mo basit? Kaya mo data mo basit?
Yes. Oh, this is how you get
Dadakil mo lang diyan. Una i-transfer. Ayan. Ay, di bunubun mo dito. Muna i-transferin. Dito yung awanan urayak mo lang. Di mabalin nga. Apiton tulak tagdan sayang. Kabilak ni Yorya pa.
Aga naman lang. You video me. Think this one. Like this.
Okay, this how to harvest cingkang.
Oh, this one like that.
Bias ko na nabigat.
Okay, very good.
Terus dasaya yata na yung masisida ng linen. Spray ang.
Okay nga yung dagito yung payan mo balin dagito ay.
Bulong nga pa. Sika.
Tidak pa dahita.
Travelty noodles.
Travelty noodles. Ay, mali. Sabi ko to.
Ikatang tiramot na.
Anan? Ugas-ugasan mga kastoy na. Nagraman-ramot.
Sos. Naglaka nga gikat kas na Chinese. Di bakit nga na pang ko. You look at the two old ladies. They don't know how to harvest cingkang. Ba't dito nga kaya ko dito bubasit. Yung isok mo nga kastam. Ay, ang noodles saktat ta.
Pwede ka ng mga kastoy?
Tanong angahan mo nga pilsa-pilsa yan.
Aawan Oh, enough. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Very good.
Di yun nakita pa itilang ganday. Ay natlagon di. Ada dyan kasweet pisan.
You put it there in my bag.
Dahil talaan na alam.
Nga.
Nga. Apay awan na alam mo kanunay.
Day nga yun na bag. Very good. That's enough na.
Nakapkapuya na.
Apay nga DJ pati daytoy sayang. Ay apo lablab sa na daytoy.
Mumumutay ka tenta to.
Kas kada daytoy tunto mo sumot lang nga i-building nyo.
Ata gaikak ta pag mula akong lang.
Una nga magaikam to daytoy yun di sayang.
Sana ta alak to. Ay daytoy babasit.
Wala mga sidaan. Tani.
Yo.
Ay apo.
Kalag data.
Wun.
Kay pay dagitan. Ruot mo. Ruot.
Jenny sayang di ay.
Magsakit mo. Wala mo na. Una. Magsakit mo.
Manutir nga rupot to dayto yun. Kuntun ata ila ko ijay. Manu nga rupot dayto ipakakuan na dayto. O di. Gusto, nagadon dayto yun. Thank you very much, nature, for giving us food. Agbunga-bunga kayo manin, Tapno, daman nanti yung may harvest.
Yeah. Ilang din mo ang basit.
Oh, meron na akong nakuha. Meron na. Pupunta tayo doon sa kabila para kumuha ng what is it? We're going to get wild, what's that? Yeah. Di ba di napait-pait di jay? Then aduda ito yun. So I'll try to get some like this. And then we get. And this is how you water the for bigger was that this is how you use the shower. The shower. Now I'll take it from there so that it will be more. Oh, she showered, taking a bath. Ay! Nabasag. This is how you water the for. Oops, like that. See? Shower. Yeah, you're taking a bath now. Shower. And then if you're done with, and if you are done here, you put the shower. You put the shower here at the other side to water this, to water that plant. That is what you do again to the other side. You just only have to. There's an airplane there. You only have to. You only have to change the position of that shower. Change where it is. Ay, 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 ay. It's like that. Whoops. We'll run. After it comes from here, I'll run, run, run. Yan. Ay. Woohoo. Ay! Lagundoy. Ay! Yeah, it's coming. It's coming to shower. To shower, to shower. To... Ay nati lagundoy. Where's the lagundoy? Where's the lagundoy? Where? Ayan da. Ay won na di
Diba
kasi
daman
ni.
lang malakla kong kasta. Di palingkay. Yung nangina. Yati awag na dito nga nila. Adamod lang.
Wala kan nga daytoy mo. Say sa bali. Sa bali daytoy. Manan di ba agputo? Di ba agtubtubo daytoy ije kwa daytoy ne, daytoy ne. Oh. That's anyat nagan na daytoy yun. Lagundoy.
Yan lang ina ije waday ta China.
Won.
Nakita ka dito yung lakla ko kasla ba.
Nangina daytoy ije China.
Ije bagyo adda.
Where is that?
Maiibus nga dago.
Where is that? Where?
Di palingki ko na.
Ay, this one. Kanya tinaga na ngamin dahito yung kuhan, basta.
Pinchay ko na da.
Pinchay. This
One.
one.
Bapang ko ran taon ijay. May saka mo nag-direct ito.
And this one. So, thank you very much. We are going now. Next time again, we will come and see. This is This is sweet peas.
Sabay mo ano, buras dapat makisabay ko.
So, dalakin bagit ta?
Diyan ko Ernest Turon, balay na.
Ay.
Ready. Dahil sa tiramputan na yung ganat dyan. Isunod akin bantay ito. Kung nakasulit din matang. Ernest Turon yan natay. Sinuyar ka datatatan. Hindi ako.
We'll go home na. Thank you very much. And this is you have when you are here in the taltalon, you have to put like this, and then that one. If you want to rest and eat, you can just sit down and eat with this shade because this is an open air, so you need to have shade. Oh, very, very. You don't know what is lagendoy, ah. Nalang tuton.
Nalang tonton no next week.
Dagito dan eh. Nalang tutan to dagito yan. Now I know.
Well, iso ti ilaw mo ti noodle.
Ay doy, ti ilaok ti noodles nga talaga. Tini. Tayo, naldawin. Tuno next nga kwa natin ito umay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Hamo, don't destroy that lagendoy. Because next time we'll have to
Isuti kayak ni Bung.
come.
Kung ang dagos na ada inala. Na umada siguro ti deka kalunay.
Bunga-bunga kayo nga, adu-adu. Bear fruit, bear fruit, bear fruit. We'll go now. Bye everyone. Saan siya?